since restoring the headlights, I've been wanting to change the bulbs for better, brighter ones. I work at a local motor factors, so we've got access to a few different suppliers and their range of bulbs. One of the main ones we sell are Ring. They recently released their new 200% bulbs, so I thought that was a good opportunity to fit them and test them. So this is the packaging. Pretty basic compared to their usual sort of vacuum formed packaging that they usually have. I know they were struggling to get the packaging sorted, so I think this is going to be a sort of last minute decision, but it's not too bad. Just be careful when you do open it. I'll do this one-handed. When you pull up, you can actually pull the bulbs out. They're obviously the original ones, but you get the idea. So yeah, let's get into some driving videos.